Get it? That's what I'm talking about. We finally got people on the field. We ain't just got people that just, people from the stands that just put on pads. What's good, y'all? All glory to the one true God, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to some more college football ULM rebuild. Now I know y'all looking at the screen right now. You like, Emmett, what you doing being 2-10 in the offseason? You was just in the midseason, the last episode you upload. Look, we got manhandled those next two games, and I was like, you know what? This ain't even worth putting up as like content. So you know what? And then we was already on 7 after I was finished, after we were done, and I was like, bro, the season over with. We're not making it to the conference championship game. We're not making a bowl game. And most importantly, we ain't making it to the college football playoff. We're not even sniffing the college football playoff. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna chalk the rest of this of that first season, and we just gonna do all of the off season in this episode. Then we're gonna do the next game, and then the first game of the season, next episode. Or maybe this episode, depending on how long the offseason takes in this, right? So that's basically what we're gonna do. We ended up getting smashed, y'all. We 2-10 because like I skimmed through the thing. We was actually able to win a couple games, but we was bad. But thankfully, we did snag some really good recruits. We got a few 4 stars, and we got like a bunch of 3 stars and stuff like that. We got to take it a step at a time. And we almost had a couple of 5 stars, but they end up getting taken like last minute, and it sucks.
5 minutes later.
Against the backdrop of the spectacular Rocky Mountains on the outskirts of Colorado Springs, home to some of our nation's best and brightest at the United States Air Force.
Well, it's time to get this season started, bro. I can't wait. We finally got an actual competent team, bro. Boy, because that was a struggle last year, boy. I'm not trying to see his stats. Are they going to make me see it anyways? Okay. Oh, yeah, I got to remember, this is the wishbone offense. Please hit him. There we go. There we go. We need that all year long. Not just for this game, all year long. Oh, this is a weird formation. What? All right. Oh. Give me that.
That was almost picked off, and what a disaster that would have been to throw a pick on the opening drive. Instead, it's 4th down.
We ain't gonna say nothing about that. We ain't gonna say nothing about it.
They'll have to punt for the first time this afternoon. Makes the catch, and now
Oh.
continues to fight for yards. That nifty return sets
That's
up
what I'm talking about. That's that freshman.
some of the yardage on the punt. So the ULM Monroe Warhawks offense will take the field for the first time.
We were talking to both coaching staffs this week, and we asked them who needs to step up and play well. They immediately pointed to these guys right here. They are the key for their respective teams.
Yeah, and they don't always show up in the box score, but these are the guys that are the leaders. These are the guys getting everybody organized and have to play well for their team.
This year was the rising temperature of the coach's seat, and the process of cooling things off starts now.
Yeah, we for sure on the
I'm not worried about it. I'm not focused on it.
we for sure on the hot seat this year.
Let's be real. He's got to win games. There is an expectation at this program to win, and if he doesn't
Come on, bro. All right.
this year, that hot seat's only going to get hot.
Bro. Just put him on a wheel. All right, forget it. Well, when I tell you I hate stadium posts, I understand the realism and that's good too, but it's like, man, I still hate it. Finally. Here we go. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
And you can see the
Having to defend this guy. He's one of the fastest players in America.
The offense just feel more fluent, bro.
It's not necessarily
Not having that terrible team from last year. Ooh, where you going?
to him quickly. The hard part now is
More guys to the run. Then you open it up for the passing game.
Oh.
job there taking the throw away from the quarterback.
really need to pick up this conversion and avoid having to settle for the field goal. They'll try to get the first through the air.
There we go. Let's keep it simple. Run them over. All right, good fight, good fight, good fight.
Everybody communicating, understanding where they have to work to give their QB time to make an accurate throw and pick up the first.
Ooh. This ain't the same ULL team y'all saw last year, bro. We actually got fight. We actually got
Can't pick up the first down without
people on the field.
on second down, wants to throw. It's complete.
Get it?
They will score.
That's what I'm talking about. We finally got people on the field. We ain't just got people that just, people from the stands that just put on pads.
Here comes the Air Force offense back onto the field. Last time, David, it was 1-2-3 kick.
The last drive, that 3 and out, sometimes that puts your defense in a bad spot. And you got to get
There we
it
go.
together
Come on.
so you don't wear the
They got to do something here to get this defense on their heels.
Secondary walks up on the line, showing press coverage. They'll power
There we go. Come on.
and they try the middle of this defense, and that is not happening. Somebody needs to make a play here. It's 3rd and long from the 26. Looking to throw, it's Hayes. Left side. And an explosive play.
That was actually good defense. He just got one of my dudes that got smoked off the line.
And the Falcons will snap
That's
it
not
up
a good look.
10. Moving the running back, trying to get the D to tip its hand.
There we go. Come on.
A run up the middle.
If you're gonna beat us, you're gonna have to pass.
It's hard to run on a defense that comes off the ball.
If you're gonna beat us, you're gonna have to pass.
Football like that. Good luck. No holes anywhere.
On the option.
You're gonna have to pass, bro.
And we are headed to the end of the first period. Third down play to open the quarter. Looking to throw.
What even play was that? Get out, get off the field. Just
Keep him from getting to the first
get off the field. What is that?
down this time. Jesse looking to take it down the field for back-to-back touchdowns.
I think it's really important for them moving forward, too, to have a lot of balance, right? You want to be able to keep this defense guessing, Pollock.
Yeah, and you got me searching for answers after that last drive. You stack another drive on top of this. their defensive stats are gonna
I need a little bit more in front of him.
Opportunity for a nice play on first down. The incomplete pass leaves him with second down. From the gun, the running back has it.
Eee.
He can convert here. That type of play can really give you a shot of momentum.
All right.
Quarterback checking off.
There we go. That's all I needed.
On third down, going up.
Oh, I had 14. He had a step, bro.
Fourth down.
And money down is where you see defenses really understand where the sticks are, play great pass defense, know what's
There's no way.
and get off the field.
Really good job by the coverage team to make the stop.
There is no way.
Play. Air Force has it back.
Oh.
Falcon offense returns to the field. You get field position like this, and you're not likely to punt the way they did the last time they had the ball.
Yeah, great job by the defense setting them
What?
up for an opportunity to get some points on the board quickly.
This is an opportunity you've got to capitalize on this field position. You must come away with points here if you're on offense.
Running back goes in motion. They'll run the option. That's what you expect from a senior. Don't give them any extra yards. Great tackle there. They've got a ways to go on third down from the 24 as this defense tries to force them into a field goal try. Firing to the right, complete. And they'll finally
Brother.
get him down after a terrific pickup.
And that's a really good
I cannot believe dude just did that, bro.
both being on the same page. The timing was almost perfect on that play. That's why they were able to convert to
Hit
third
him.
down,
Thank
now
you.
setting up first and goal.
They get it down to the 7 on that pass play in prime position for a score. Defense rolls up deep in its own end on that last play. Now a 2nd and long coming.
There we go. Come on.
He's dropped behind the line of scrimmage. That'll be a loss of 3.
And how about the timing of the linebacker on the blitz to get in the backfield and get the tackle for loss?
Is there anything better for a linebacker than to run on a blitz and nobody's home except the back?
Such a great feeling when the Moses parts the Red Sea and the hole opens up and you go fill it.
He's got it on the
There we
run.
go. Just tackle him.
Make the stop, and this offense has it inside the 5, and
I
they
still
are
can't believe that dude did what he just
and
did.
they'll send out the field goal unit. From the left hash, this one shouldn't be too much trouble. It's good.
Man, I need to find another playbook that's more comfortable, bro. Cause I got some good stuff in here that I like, but it's just like, I ain't really got nothing I can say that's really like my bread and butter. I can say, I guess.
You don't need to panic. I mean, think about it. You got the lead. You got the football.
Yikes.
Be smart with the football.
Yeah, I just don't have anything that I can really call like my bread and butter.
Now the quarterback changing the original play call. He'll try it again on 2nd and 10.
And my O-line's still bad.
Get to the quarterback, man. They've got speed all over the place. They hit him so quickly, and because of that, the ball falls incomplete.
Mm.
On 3rd down, he'll try to pick it up through the air.
Bro.
Back onto the field. Had to settle for the chip shot field goal last time, Jesse. They'd love for this one to pay off bigger.
Yeah, it just comes down to execution, too. It didn't
I should.
stalled a little bit once they got down to the goal line, so they just need to be a little bit more crisp here, Dan.
Yeah, and listen, I think the first part was the most important part. You got to put the drive together first to get down there. Now, when we get down there, focus on execution and getting 6 points.
Dropping back, it's Hayes. It's caught downfield.
21 is there, bro. You just got to make that play.
Completion. They're set up and in business at the 20. There's a timeout called as this offense tries to find a way to draw a little closer. They're down to the 20, 1st and 10. Trying to cap this drive with the pass. Lets it go to the end zone. And it's caught. And now the offense will come onto the field again. Quarterback changing the plays at the line. Looking to go up top on 1st down.
Bro,
They get to him as he throws.
Lily had a touchdown, bro, and we can't block for nothing.
After the incompletion, back to the passing game. Got a man in the middle. And they've got it at the 37. It's 1st and 10. He's gonna pass.
Yikes.
Just in time. Just make the connection last time. Let's see if they throw it again. He wants to pass it on 2nd down. He puts a
Do we got it?
lot of air
Do we got it?
down the sideline. And he's got it inside the 10 in the 1st half. Time dwindling away as they try to put points on the board right before the half. They'll keep it on the ground for 1st and goal. He pushes it for halftime. Maybe time for 1 or 2 more plays. Tries again to get it in. And they try to line for one final play of the half. Quarterback will audible. On 3rd and goal, they'll try to throw it in. He wanted to get the score right there, but it falls incomplete. They'd love nothing better
What?
He missed it. No good. And after the miss, there's still damage or attitude adjustments. They've got to find a way to run the ball at least some here in the second half.
I do think you said something that's important. I think running the football is an attitude. Like, it starts with the offensive lineman and being physical, having a nasty attitude. Running back, same thing. I think they need more of that in the second half.
You know, and I think if any of you are this defense, on this very first drive, we're going to prove to you, just like in the first 30 minutes, you cannot.
I feel like we got it.
He's looking to throw. He'll off one deep down the left side.
I thought he had a step, but I was completely wrong.
Pick up a first down. Bully ball on third and short. Really nice, patient
Lot. They're going to ride the big fella. He's such a stud. They're going to build the offense around him. This is just game one, but you're going to get a lot of big runs from this game.
Receiver beating that defender. Wasn't able to make him miss that time, but if I'm on offense, I'm going back to that play later.
quarterback reacting to what the D is showing. Wants to throw on second down.
What?
Back by the defense. Couldn't fresh set of downs.
You know, I was talking a lot of trash saying we was a different team. Maybe we're not. Maybe we're not.
He is going nowhere. Stop at the line of scrimmage. Line getting set.
Well, we are, but defensively you see the difference. But offensively, it's like,
The defense to adjust. A run up the middle.
you know, offense is kind of looking like same old, which I don't.
Runs went headlong into a brick
Which
wall.
I do not.
Dropping
I didn't.
It's Hayes. Makes the
Bam.
down the middle.
Oh, boy, I try to take his head off.
Going to make it. The defense denying him the first down.
I like the mitts, the big fella coming in with the catch. Hey, running a little bit of a route, showing a little wiggle, getting open, throwing the football. That's when he catch it, big fella.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. It's still
Bro, this is an ugly game.
game after the miss. UL Monroe has it back in
Bro, this is a very ugly game.
In a low-scoring game like this one, David, every possession is magnified.
And I think more than anything, it just gets frustrating. And you got to put that behind you. You got to see what this defense is
Oh.
to be so successful.
I thought it got over him. I literally thought that got over him because I had the flat. I thought he was going to sit on that, but he.
I think you're just trying to get guys in space. See if a dude can break a tackle. Maybe that generates an explosive play, and it breaks this trend.
They'll throw again after the incompletion. Makes the catch.
I got so scared.
As they come to the line on third and short from the 43, I wonder if they already know they'll go for it if they don't make it here.
No.
Fires to the wideout. And they can't make the connection.
I'm rage going for it.
First half, you thought they would have made some adjustments here at halftime to see if they can.
I'm rage going for it.
Game, but early on in the second half, you're just not really able to get that done. Incompletion on third down in your own end. You're expecting them to punt.
Quarterback making adjustments with his receivers. On fourth down, they'll pass for it. He
There we go.
fires a bullet to the right.
Nope.
And they gambled in their own end, and now they give up really good field position. Air Force has it back, and the Falcon offense returns to the field. The sledding has been tough. Scores have been at a premium, Jesse, and every possession seems like it could switch the momentum of the game.
Yeah, Reese, for this offense, just feels like they just haven't been as physical. And for this offensive coordinator, David, he's having to go deep into the playbook just to try to generate a first down.
Well, and the good thing is there's not a ton of game pressure because the other side's not scoring either. But if you can find that one thing that
This game is blowing me, bro.
positive play, and then maybe you get those juices going and something can start to build.
At the 35, he's open. And they explode on that one, and they've got it down to the 22. This offense absolutely humming as they come to the line again. A little pre-snap eye candy for the defense. Headed to the end zone, and he rolls into the house.
Both teams will leave this one with some things to work on moving forward.
Kevin, thanks a lot for that one. Sounds as if they had a good one there. They'll throw it on first down. Snagged in the middle. It's Harrison. That one could
He could be a problem for this defense over the middle of the field in the passing game.
quarterback checking the play. Comes out throwing on first down.
Touchdown. Thank you.
Sideline.
Well, I thought it was a touchdown. That's one thing you can say.
Cashing in on this big opportunity deep in the red zone.
That's one thing you can say.
Turning to the running game on first.
This team is a little bit more explosive. Like, the offensive line is still bad,
Run the football. You
but we are more explosive.
or maybe throwing it next time.
Looking to throw on second down. Trying to get to it. He just threw that one away to pick up a first down. Third and goal, and they'll try to pass it in. Coming after it. And the pressure gets the Air Force offense back onto the field. And now that cushion is a little bit smaller, Jesse, and any mistake would get magnified.
All right, come on.
A little bit of
I
pressure
said that. We can get a stop.
too, David. I think they got to go back to their playmakers and get these guys going in the game.
No doubt. Find those plays you know you can run them in your sleep. You make sure you execute. Build this lead a little bit bigger. Put this thing away in the fourth quarter.
Now on the option.
I about to say, he better not do that.
Solid, determined run.
He better not do what he trying to do.
It's a nice game, but the big theme here is they just haven't been able to get the run game going on offense. They've been very one-dimensional. They're just not being physical enough at the point of attack.
On third and long, trying to have a big completion here. Moving away from pressure. And he scoots his way to the first down and then slides to avoid
Yeah,
the
that
hit.
sucks.
We've got a timeout on the field, a tight game in the fourth, and the brain trust will go to work. They'll keep it on the ground. They want this clock to move. That run epitomizes a veteran, savvy senior who knows how to find space. Quick timeout called by the defense, stopping the clock to save as much time as possible for their offense. And the Falcons with the 1st and 10. The back goes in motion. The give to the fullback. They bring him down, and he's going to lose a yard on that one. The defense calls the timeout, and that's their last one of the half. The give to the big fullback.
Oh, no. You can't be falling forward like that, bro.
Nice game before the defense is able to stop him. They're facing a third down. They'll try to run for it. And gang tackling on this dude is a good idea.
I got to find me a new offensive playbook, something that I'm more comfortable in, something like that, to get my reads down. Because this one ain't doing it, bro.
This season as they open 0-1.
We're more explosive on offense, but, like, our offensive line is still bad. At the same time, maybe we can combat that by just being able to, like, you know, just having a quicker game, a quicker pass game. Got to run the ball more for sure. I'm getting too pass heavy, too pass happy and stuff like that. So, oh well, man. But you know, hey, at least we didn't get blown out and then won. Like, we still wish that we would have won, but hey, gotta start somewhere, bro. This team was terrible last year. This rebuild wasn't gonna be easy, and we already knew that. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in, y'all. And I hope y'all keep God first over anyone and anything. And I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.